Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc 1.5 TSI Wireline Automatic. This sleek grey estate Jeep comes with 150 horsepower and a fuel-efficient 1.5 litre engine. Packed with comfort, safety and security features like ambient lighting, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a smooth and safe ride, not to mention the luxury trim and privacy glass for added style. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more info on this fantastic vehicle today.